Hello friends, this is Mukesh KONAI for Saptarshi Mindware EduTech. Today we are going to discuss a very important chapter of class 10th, and that is chapter 10, Light, Reflection and Refraction. So when we say light, first of all various questions arises in our mind about light itself. Like, what is light? What is the nature of light? How light propagates as we switch on a bulb? How our room becomes bright? What is light made of? What is the speed of light? So, to answer all these questions, various scientists tried from time to time at different interval of time, they tried to explain the nature of light. And they put forward scientists like starting from Newton and up to De Broglie, they gave various theories. Like Newton said, light is a corpuscle of weightless stream of particles. Then came Huygens. Huygens put forward his wave theory. But the main problem with his wave theory was that he considered light as a wave and it is a mechanical wave just like sound wave. Then came Maxwell. Maxwell put forward his concept of electromagnetic wave. He said that light is electromagnetic wave. And after that, Einstein came and he put forward his quantum theory to explain various phenomena executed by light. So, all these theories, to some extent, they were able to explain the nature of light, the constituents of light, and different properties shown by light. Then, finally came De Broglie's theory of dual nature. So, students, with all these things, different scientists gave different theories, but the widely accepted concept of light today is that light is electromagnetic wave. It is packet of energy which is photons, weightless stream of photons traveling at the speed of 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So this is the latest and most widely accepted theory about light, and light has even a dual nature. It has wave nature as well as particle nature. So this is the widely accepted concept about light. What different phenomena light shows? So light shows light shows the phenomena like it shows reflection, it shows refraction, it shows diffraction and interference and polarization. So these are the most popular phenomena shown by light. So here we are going to study about ray. Light as a ray of light, or as a not wave, but we will be considering light as a ray of light. Okay, ray. So what is a ray and what is light? Let's come to this topic. Then we'll go into the detail of all these things. So light is a form of energy. Light is a form of energy. What does light do? It enables us to see things. It enables us to see things. So, which enables us to see things. That means it creates the sensation of vision. That is, it creates the sensation of vision. It creates the sensation of vision. So students, it creates sensation. When we say it creates sensation of vision, Means there are again different types of light. It is not that light what we see is the only form of light. We have visible light, we have infrared light, we have ultraviolet light rays. So this radiation, light in itself is actually a radiation. So it is what here we are going to discuss about the visible light. Okay, so visible light has a different range. According to the wavelength, light has been classified into ultra, infra and then visible light. Okay, so here now phenomena executed, we have discussed that different phenomena executed by light. So let's see what is reflection of light. So primarily our study is concentrated on reflection and refraction of light. So reflection of light. Reflection of light. What is this reflection of light? The bouncing of light. The bouncing back of light after striking a surface, an opaque surface we can say. Opaque surface is called reflection. Okay. So I said opaque surface. So now reflecting surfaces, we should talk about reflecting surfaces. So reflecting surfaces can be polished, reflecting surfaces can be smooth or polished or smooth, and it can be even rough surface. So reflecting surface, anything reflecting surfaces. So reflecting surfaces can be polished or rough, irregular. Okay. So rough surface. It can be polished surface or it can be rough surface. So accordingly, now again, so rough surface, like we are rough reflecting surfaces. We are rough reflecting surface. We all are able to see each other because of as we act as a rough reflecting surface. Mirrors and highly polished surfaces, they are smooth or regular reflecting surfaces. Okay, polished surfaces are the mirrors, right? So, but stone and all the things, the beauty of the world lies due to this reflection from rough surfaces, irregular surfaces. So, or we can say accordingly we have two different types of reflection. According to the reflecting surfaces, we have, if the reflection is taking place from a polished surface, then we say it is regular reflection. If the reflection is taking place from a rough surface, then we say it is irregular reflection or diffuse reflection. You have studied this in your junior classes. Okay, so accordingly we have two different types of reflection, regular and irregular. Okay, so now we come to again this reflecting from polished surfaces. So polished surface may be what we call it a mirror. Mirror. Okay. So a highly polished surface which reflects almost all the light incident on it is called a mirror. So this is the definition of ideal mirror. This is the definition of ideal mirror. Okay. So, but we don't have ideal mirror at all. This is just for the sake of hypothesis, a hypothetical type of mirror. Now again, then we can have, so this mirror or can be of different types. This polished surface can be of different type. Okay, so like for example, so I take here, so mirror is a polished surface, so I write here mirror, and then so mirror, again we have plane mirror and we have spherical mirrors. Spherical mirrors. Okay, we have mirror. So we have two different types of mirror. We have plane mirror and spherical mirror. Now again, this spherical mirror is divided into two different parts: convex mirror, or we can write concave mirror, and convex mirror. So these two are the spherical mirror, types of spherical mirror. Okay, so we'll discuss one by one. Now students, when light is incident on these mirrors, they follow certain rules, that is called laws of reflection. So before we go into the detail of all these things, so since when light is incident on this topic, mirrors, then we will see that they follow certain laws. So that is called laws of reflection. So laws of reflection. Laws of reflection. First law says the incident ray, reflected ray, and the normal ray, at the point of incidence. At the point of incidence, all lie in the same plane. Okay. So for example, I take one plane mirror. So this way we mark it as a plane mirror. So here a ray of light. So this ray which strikes the surface of the mirror, that is called the incident ray. Okay. And which bounces back into the same medium, that is called reflected ray. Okay. So here I draw one normal. So here angle I, and this is angle R, and this is the point of incidence. This is our incident ray, this is reflected ray, and the normal. We see that they lie in the same plane. Okay?
Blur हो रहा है.